Есть голос, который открывает двери памяти. Он зовет глубоко в твое сердце, туда, где дикая женщина просыпается.
Шакти, Афродита, Иштар, Лилит, Исида, Астарта, Фрейя, Мариган, Жива, Макаш.
Вспомни себя, кто ты, твое имя зовет.
There is a voice that opens the doors of memory. It calls deep into your heart to awaken the wild woman within. Shakti, Aphrodite, Ishtar, Lilith, Isis, Astarte, Freya, Morrigan, Shiva, Mokosh. Remember yourself. Who are you? Your name is calling. Es gibt eine Stimme, die die Tore der Erinnerung öffnet. Sie ruft tief in dein Herz, dort wo die wilde Frau erwacht. Shakti, Aphrodite, Ishtar, Lilith, Isis, Astarte, Freya, Morrigan, Shiva, Mokosh. Erinnere dich, wer bist du? Dein Name ruft.
Chapter 5. I Love Being a Woman. Returning to Your Nature. Based on a poem from February 10th, 2025. Being a woman is not a role, not a function, and not a social label. It is a force of nature living in the body. And when a woman remembers this, the ancient truth returns to the world. I love being a woman, created by nature. These lines were born not just as a manifesto. They are a response to an inner call, which had long been drowned out by the voices. Be comfortable. Be strong. Be, but not too much. But one day, hearing the voice of Mother Earth, she again felt the pulse of her body, as a continuation of the breath of the earth. There is blood in me, like water in rivers. There are bones in me, like stone in the mountains. There is breath in me, like life in the air. There is fire in me, like the sun has strength. There are tides in me, like the moon has wisdom. I'm a part of nature. I am a woman who knows about it. She wrote these lines as a prayer to herself, as a ritual of recognition, as a dedication to her true self. Her love can warm and burn. Her voice can heal and excite. Her words can inspire and liberate. Every day I repeat, I love to be a woman always. I love to be a woman in everything. This chapter is an anchor for returning to the source, not to be perfect, correct, or successful, but simply to be a woman, in all her natural, inexplicable, powerful essence. I love to be a woman, created by nature, as an extension of it, to give birth to my own kind. Water flows in nature. There is blood in me. There are stones and mountains in nature. There is bone in me. There is air in nature. It is everywhere. Everyone breathes it. My voice, sounds, singing vibrate. Sound outside. The sun warms and gives warmth. It can burn in an instant, becoming fire. My love will warm the heart. A look will incinerate the one who dares to take away faith in femininity. He will have to touch with my fire. having learned the power of a wild woman. Will he be able to survive later? The moon gives the ebb and flow, taking care of all living things on Earth. It influences emotions and mood, gives me direction in every day. Nature is the feminine principle, and I, her likeness. Every day I repeat, I love to be a woman. Always. I love to be a woman. In everything.
A Little Book. Written by Nadezhda Kazantseva. Creative House Nautica.